President Roosevelt was becoming increasingly frustrated with the Supreme Court that ruled many of the New Deal's laws unconstitutional. He wanted to change the makeup, and with that he had his plan for packing the court. Eventually it would fail.
Is my proposal. It is simply this. Whenever a judge or justice of any federal court has reached the age of 70 and does not avail himself of the opportunity to retire on a pension, a new member will be appointed by the president then in office with the approval, as required by the Constitution, of the Senate of the United States. It is charged that I wish to place on the bench spineless puppets who would disregard the law and would decide specific cases as I wish them to be decided. I make this answer, that no president fit for his office would appoint, and no Senate of honorable men fit for their office would confer that kind of appointees to the Supreme Court of the United States. Our difficulty with the court today arises not from the court as an institution, but from open beings within it. But we cannot yield our constitutional destiny to the personal judgment of a few men who, being fearful of the future, would deny us the necessary means of dealing